So you've been in the market for a home for a while, you put in multiple offers, you pulled a couple of hairs out, but you finally found the right home for you and your family. You are under contract now, and you believe that everything will be a breeze until closing date, and there's absolutely nothing you can do to kill this deal, right? Wrong.
In today's video, we're going to cover a few things that you should not do while under contract.
Hey everybody, it's Manny and
Michelle
from the Word to Scoop at Extreme International Realty.
There are many things that you need to be careful with if you want to have a successful closing. Many people get very excited once their offer is accepted and they want to start going to go shopping right away for furniture and decor. But here are a few things that you should avoid before closing.
As Michelle just mentioned, here's a couple of things to avoid while under the loan process. First off, if you're working, do not quit your job, don't change your job, or don't become self-employed until closing. Hold up a little bit. If the mortgage underwriter calls your employer to verify that you're working there and they say no, that can cost you your home, time, money, and all the effort put forth into this process.
If you've been with the same company for a while and are a salaried employee, do not switch over to a commission only, or if vice versa, if you're a commission only, do not switch to a salary only all of a sudden. If you are married, stay married.
Yes. Or if you're planning on getting married, just wait until after closing. If they love you, they'll wait for you until closing. We just don't want to bring up any red flags while you're on the underwriting process. Next, don't spend your money.
You will need your money, so only spend money on paying your bills on time.
That's right.
Also, make sure that you don't move money around. If your lender sees any big deposits or withdrawals, it will create red flags. So if you have a large suitcase of money under your mattress, keep it there. Also, if you have any doubts or concerns, make sure that you reach out to your lender.
Do not open any new accounts or credit cards. Also, do not co-sign for anybody until you close. As humans, I know we want to help our families and our friends, and even though you feel those payments are not made by you, if they happen to default, that will be your responsibility. And that will also affect your debt to credit ratio, which in turn will affect the loan.
Do not buy a car, any big ticket items, or any appliances for your home until you officially close. Move fast. Make sure that you provide any and all documentation to your lender as soon as possible. Also, you want to make sure that you stay on top of anything your lender asks you for, so it is imperative that you provide any and all documentation and paperwork to your lender in a timely fashion. You want to make sure that you also stay in contact with your lender and have an open communication with them at all times.
Pay your bills. Make sure you pay your bills on time. Do not overdraft or overdraw your account. You don't want any late payments. You want to make sure everything's going smooth while you're under contract till you get to closing. Also, make sure you file your taxes and pay them on time.
Stay in the same position you were in during the pre-approval process. To make it to the finish line, it's imperative that you stay in the same exact position you were in when you were filling out the application. Since any changes, whether it be positive or negative, can affect your loan, we want to make sure that you stay in contact with your lender at all times.
Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. We really appreciate you. We hope you found it helpful. If you like the content, make sure you give us a thumbs up and share it with somebody you might think that needs that information. Also, if you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you have any questions at all regarding the buying or selling process in real estate, make sure you give us a call. Thank you very much.
Have an extreme day.
And that will also affect your debt to credit ratio, which will affect the loan. The loan! Okay, Madea. 3, 2, 1. Do not open any accounts or any... Babe!
What happened to that? That died?
Battery, yeah.
Oh, well.